If you contact your GP practice about your medications and your practice has a pharmacist, your GP receptionist may signpost you to me. As a practice pharmacist, I have an in-depth knowledge about medications and can carry out medication reviews and monitoring to check your medicines are working as they should. I will check if the medication is causing side effects or if the dose needs adjusting. I can order tests related to the medication where necessary, and I can even reauthorise or adjust prescriptions. Most practice pharmacists can even prescribe new medications for your condition without you needing to see the GP, which would save you time. We are specialists in medications and can make sure they are prescribed and monitored appropriately. We usually have longer appointment times than GPs, so can spend more time with you to discuss how your medication is working. We work closely with the GPs and practice nurses and other healthcare professionals to make sure your conditions are managed effectively and that you are confident in using your prescribed medications. So if you need to talk about your ongoing medications, your practice pharmacist is your primary choice.